Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden, and today's plant is the bouquet style Euphorbia. This is the largest one of the smaller leaves. The other one I have of the leaf is the larger version. But what I like about this one is the leaves are like in a bouquet of roses, but the leaves are bountiful as well as the blooms. Let me just show you a little closer over here, but it fills out my little bucket over here. It's just beautiful. It's rather bountiful, so bountiful is proper use. But it taps all sorts of light. There's some lands here just traveling in the air from the plant over there. And let's just say what bountiful blooms on this little darling, as you can see. So check this out. Please like the video and say subscribe.